Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Okay, on this video I'd like to quickly give you some tips. Let's say you go to your car and you try to start it and then no start at all, just quiet. And you think, okay, maybe my battery is bad or my battery needs a jump. And then you open your hood and maybe you have a jumper or you have a jumper cable, or you bring another car, you jump it like that. Or you use a battery pack, whichever way, like a jumper pack. You connect like that and then boom, starts. Okay, great. Okay, my battery must be bad, maybe I need a new battery. And then you let it run for like 10 minutes or 5 minutes, and then all of a sudden it shuts off by itself. Now you're getting a different territory. Now it's not just a battery. So if you experience that kind of stuff, or after jumping it, the car start to run, and then you start driving, and then as soon as you start driving, you notice your many of your electronics, your backup camera, your window up and down, they don't work. So that's basically, if you experience this kind of stuff, it's not your battery. It's most likely your alternator. Basically, that's the reason why your battery is dead, because your alternator is not doing its job. It's not properly charging it. That's why your battery is dead. So many times, if you replace your alternator with a new one, that will fix the battery issue. You don't have to replace the battery. So basically, that's how you can tell. Also, you can go to Walmart or AutoZone. They have a machine that checks the alternator, if your alternator is good or not. They'll check the battery and then they'll for free. They'll check the battery and then they'll check the alternator, and then they'll tell you what you need. Most likely they might even try to sell you battery, obviously, because they notice the battery is low, so they'll say, oh, you need a battery, But if your battery is, let's say if it's 1 year, 2 year, it still has life, especially if you have that quality battery from the Duralast brand or the AAA brand. Those batteries, they last for 3 to 6 years. So just that's how you can tell if your alternator is bad. Of course, the machine will test for you if your alternator is bad. But that's the quick thing. That's really what happened to us recently, and then. We change the alternator, and then boom, no more problem. The battery is fine. We don't have to change the alternator. The battery. So yeah, I hope this tip helps anyone if you experience that kind of stuff. Also, where to get your alternator? Make sure you get the same brand alternator, like the original OEM alternator. I'm not saying you have to go to the dealership and buy $300-400 alternator. But many times, check in your local area. There are places that specialize on alternator and starters. They specialize only on these two things. They sell rebuilt ones. So you have two options. Either you can take out, or your mechanic or you can take out your old alternator and you can bring it to them. And then within 3 hours, they can rebuild yours, basically. And then they'll give you another 1 year, 2 year warranty. Or you can just give them that one, and then you can get the same brand rebuilt alternator for around $100. So you're saving a lot. You're getting, your original one, and then So that's the best way to do. If you go straight to AutoZone, if you don't have the commercial account in AutoZone, definitely you're gonna be paying close to $300, or Napa, or whatever those auto stores are. So yeah, that's a tip I can help you. But there's many places. Look up on your phone, alternator or starter places. You can find them. They specialize only on these two things. All right, guys. Hope this helps. Take care.